Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install CodeBlocks IDE on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, we have to download the CodeBlocks file. For that, open your favorite browser and search for CodeBlocks. CodeBlocks is a cross-platform IDE built for C and C++ programming language. If you want to build C and C++ program, you have to use CodeBlock. So to download, just open the link from codeblocks.org. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download the latest version of CodeBlocks, that is CodeBlocks 17.12. For that, just click on this download button, and here we have three different download options. One is our binary release, the source code, and the source code from SVN. So we have to download the binary release. For that, simply click on this binary release link, and here we have to select our operating system. So let me select Windows, and here we have the setup file. If you want to install CodeBlocks with C and C++ compiler, you have to download CodeBlocks 17.12 minjw setup.exe file, and here we have two download source. So from any of these source you can download CodeBlocks. So let me download from here. Here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time to download. So let me complete the download, and after that I will show you how you can install and set up CodeBlock for C and C++ programming. Our download has been completed. Now just open the file, click on yes. So here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser, and here simply click on next, and here we have to accept the license agreement. So click on I agree. And here are the components and the plugins which will be installed with this CodeBlocks IDE. Simply click on next, and here is the location where CodeBlocks is going to install. So if you want to change this location, you can simply change this location by clicking on this browse option, and here you can browse your location where you want to save your file. For now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then simply click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Our installation has been successfully completed, and here we have a small dialog. Do you want to run CodeBlocks now? So if you want to run CodeBlocks, then simply click on yes, or else you can click on no. Then click on next. So our setup has been successfully completed. Now let me click on finish. Now let me show you the interface of CodeBlocks, and I will also show you how you can create your first C programming using CodeBlocks. So let me open this CodeBlocks. So let me maximize the window. So this is the interface of CodeBlock. If you want to create a new project, simply click on create a new project, or if you want to open your existing project, then click on open an existing project. And if you want to know some tips of the day, then you can click on tips of the day, and here you find other options too. Let me show you how you can create your first project using CodeBlocks IDE. For that, simply click on file, then go to new project, and here simply select console application, then click on go, and here click on next. And here we have to select our programming language. So let me select C, then click on next. And here we have to name our project title. Let me name it as my first C. And here you can see the project name is my first C.cbp. And here we have to select our project location where we want to save our project. So let me click on this three dot, and here simply select your location where you want to save your file. So let me select document, then click on make a new folder, save example C project, then simply select that folder and click on OK. So here we have our project title, the project folder, and the project name file, and here we have our resulting file name. So after that, simply click on next, and here we have to select our compiler, which is GNGCC compiler, and here click on finish. Here we have our project hierarchy, that is my first project, and here we have a source folder. Inside this source folder we have our main.c file. So this is a simple program which will print hello world. So let me change to welcome to the coder world. Now to save this program, simply go to file, then here click on save file. Now to run this program, simply click on build and you can select build and run, or you can use shortcut key, that is F9, or else you can click on this build and run icon. So let me click on this, and here on our console we have welcome to the coder world. So this way you can install CodeBlocks IDE on Windows 10. So if you want to learn C programming, then we already have a playlist on C programming for beginner. So the playlist link will be on the I button, or you will get the playlist link on the description box. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.